All right, we made it to the last problem. We're going to simplify 3 divided by x plus 1 divided by 5 divided by x minus 1. Here's the good news. You pretty much know how to do this already. This is just a fancy division problem. We're going to take this whole thing and rewrite it. We have 3 divided by x plus 1, and we want to divide that by the bottom, which is 5 divided by x minus 1. So we're just going to divide it. It looks like everything's already simplified. If you could simplify the stuff, you should do that. But this one looks like it's good to go. Remember, your first fraction stays the same. So we have 3 divided by x plus 1. For your second fraction, you're going to flip it, and you have x minus 1 divided by 5. And then you're going to multiply. When I multiply straight across, we have 3 times x minus 1. And then the bottom, you'd have 5 times x plus 1. Now, if anything cancels, you should cancel it out. For this one, I actually can't cancel anything. Our x minus 1 and our x plus 1 can't go together. There's nothing that goes into 3 and 5. So we're actually done. All you have to do is flip and multiply, and your final answer is 3 times x minus 1 divided by 5 times x plus 1. Hopefully you made it all the way through your review, and you're ready for your test tomorrow. Thank you for watching.